This is KSN News 3 at 6.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jeff Herndon.
And I'm Julia Thatcher. It's been 2 years since 17-year-old Cedric Lofton died after an altercation at the Juvenile Intake and Assessment Center in Wichita.
After the incident, a community task force came together to bring changes in 911 services, WPD, the county's Juvenile Intake Center, and foster care. KSN Samantha Boring joins us now with what's being done 2 years later. Samantha?
Jeff, Julia, the task force made 58 recommendations for those agencies. The public dashboard tracks the progress as reported by the agencies themselves. It shows 31 are implemented, 22 are in progress, and 5 are listed as not implemented, although we're told by the county one of those is in progress. A memorial sits just outside the Cedric County Juvenile Intake and Assessment Center, remembering Cedric Lofton. The 17-year-old boy died after JIAC and juvenile detention staff members restrained him in 2021.
I gotten so good at hiding it, but when the day comes, it's like that day is the hardest day to hide it.
His brother and others continue to push for change. Last year, Juvenile Services updated its use of force policy and made nursing and mental health staff available 24/7. Security cameras showed what happened in JIAC, but did not have audio. That still hasn't been added. The director of corrections says it's taking time to ensure the audio is of high enough quality to be useful.
We're going to end up having a combination of Axon cameras that staff will wear on their uniform, and then audio in cameras that are mounted in the building.
It's also working on the individual justice plan to help support juveniles with mental health issues or a developmental disability. The task force made 14 recommendations to the Kansas Department for Children and Families, the agency that oversees foster care. More than half are still in progress. DCF declined an on-camera interview, but responded via email that the agency has made changes, including mental health screenings and services for youth in care, an expansion of Family First prevention services, including a mental health program called multisystemic therapy, and further implementation of the Family Crisis Helpline in 988. I requested an on-camera interview with the local agencies that receive recommendations from the task force. 911 Emergency Communications and Wichita Police referred us back to the task force's public dashboard. You can head on over to ksn.com for details of where things stand on those changes. The task force meets in 4 weeks to discuss where things stand on each recommendation. Here for you, Samantha Boring, KSN News 3.